Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom, where thrills and excitement await around every corner. Among the park's many attractions, one stands out for its heart-pounding adventure and refreshing escapade, Kali River Rapids. Climb aboard your raft and prepare to brave the churning waters of the Kali River. As you navigate through the dense jungle landscapes and cascading waterfalls, you'll encounter surprises at every turn. Set out on a thrilling whitewater adventure through a lush jungle in the heart of Asia. Skim across an erupting geyser, drift below a canopy of lush vegetation, and be whisked along fast-moving rapids. Graze gushing waterfalls and bedrock amid the raging current. You will surely get splashed on this attraction, and you may even get soaked. Guests wishing to remain dry are encouraged to bring a waterproof poncho, extra clothes, or a towel to dry off. But beware, for the river gods are watching, and they may decide to unleash their fury upon you, drenching you in a torrential downpour. Whether you're seeking a thrilling adventure or a refreshing break from the Florida heat, Kali River Rapids promises an unforgettable experience for adventurers of all ages. And after a day of excitement at Animal Kingdom, why not retreat to one of our luxurious vacation pool homes? Conveniently located near the park, our villas offer the perfect blend of comfort and convenience, allowing you to relax and recharge for another day of magical adventures. Book your stay today and make your Orlando vacation truly unforgettable. Contact us now to reserve your spot in paradise.